Title: The $10 trillion asset hiding in plain sight. Description: most people chase stocks, real estate, and crypto, but the world's most sophisticated investors are quietly building fortunes from something you cannot touch, see, or hold. This is the story of intangible asset investing, the hidden economy turning creativity, data, and ideas into passive income streams that print money while you sleep. Tags: wealth code, passive income, intangible assets, royalties, alternative investing. Script: imagine waking up one morning to find that a song you wrote 20 years ago just earned you $40,000. You didn't perform it, you didn't promote it, you were probably asleep when someone streamed it in Tokyo, used it in a commercial in Berlin, or featured it in a Netflix show in Sao Paulo, and that money just appeared. This isn't luck, this is intellectual property, and it's part of a $10 trillion asset class that most retail investors completely ignore. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone is earning passive income from a patent on a car part they haven't touched in decades, a photograph they took on vacation, or a mineral right on land they've never even visited. The question is, why isn't that person you? We've been conditioned to think of wealth building as tangible. Buy a house, collect rent. Buy a stock, collect dividends. Buy gold, watch it glisten. But in 2024, the largest transfer of wealth in human history is happening in things you cannot hold. According to Ocean Tomo, a leading intellectual property advisory firm, intangible assets now account for over 90% of the value of S&P 500 companies. That's up from just 17% in 1975. The world's most valuable resource is no longer oil or land. It is the human imagination, legally protected and monetized. And this shift has created an entirely new frontier for passive income that is still wide open for individual investors. Let's start with the biggest, most obvious piece of this puzzle that nobody talks about: patent royalties. Every time you use a smartphone, you are paying a tiny fraction of a penny to dozens of patent holders. Qualcomm, for example, generated over $8 billion in licensing revenue last year alone. But here's what you don't hear on the news: you do not need to be a massive corporation to own patents. There is a thriving